The PNI House IPMAX POE1 kit contains a networking unit and 4 IP cameras that can be used both indoors and outdoors and will allow you to supervise your home or business anywhere you have an internet connection. With NVR in the package, you can record and play images from 4 HD video surveillance cameras with IP. For recording images, you can mount an internal hard drive with up to 4 TB capacity inside the NVR. The 4 high-resolution 720p cameras are provided with 24 IR LEDs, each endowing with quality nighttime shooting. Now you can access and track real-time images recorded by the PNI House IPMAX POE1. We also add complete access to the system that will allow settings, viewing records, downloading records, etc. Also, for a simpler setup, the NVR in the kit can be accessed from the internet without the need for special configuration in your router via a P2P connection. Images are recorded in real time. Surveillance is done via a monitor connected to the NVR via the VGA or HDMI interface. With the evolution of surveillance systems, HDD manufacturers have created dedicated solutions for them. Thus, for a maximum performance and trouble-free operation of PNI surveillance systems, we recommend using only dedicated HDDs for CCTV. We recommend Western Digital Purple, Red and SE models with 24/7 reliability, durability and quality.